Hey, this is my new bike check because my last one was all stock, so this is a bit more custom now. Okay, so we'll start from the top. I've got the Amity Judas Priest grips. They're wearing out, got to get some new ones. Some fucking spare bar ends that make Kieran found just stuck in. On that side for a bar end we've got mud. Oh no, we haven't. We've got like a screw in bar end. Sorry. I got stock brake cable. Then we've got the Sunday space bars, Road limited edition, Iron Ross bars. I think that they're 26s or 27s. And then the nice rise. We've got the Amity stem with a radio headset and just a washer on there, whatever. Moving down onto the fucking helmet, fucking thorns. Got the nice Amity sticker on the front. Then we got the Radio Astron 2011. It was either 2011 or 2012 forks. Then we've got the Amity front rim with the Amity Judas Priest hub. Amity nipples, like raw chrome nipples and spokes. Then we've got a FitFat, I'm trying to find a fucking size for it. 20 times 2.30 tyre, nice big and fat tyre. Moving down onto the frame, we've got the Amity Judas Priest 2012 frame in black. Really nice frame, really lightweight, pretty much anyway. Then we got the Amity stock sprocket, same cranks as last time, the ones with the glue holding my pedal in until I can replace them hopefully. Pedals, we got Duo brand plastic pedals, plastic PC pedals, really nice. They are still quite grippy. And then we got gel pads, Amity gel pads with Amity back brake. Then we've got the chrome chain, the sprocket's 25 tooth I think, yeah 25 tooth I think, 9 tooth driver. Then we've got the Amity rear hub with the really nice, quite loud clicker. Amity back rim, same spokes but we got same nipples as well. I think they're same nipples, yeah I think. Then on the back we've got a, just turn it around so you can see it. Yeah, no, I'll do that in a second. Salt Pitch Raw 2.25 back tyre, pretty thick, nice and big. Okay, then last thing, we've got the Total BMX 2012 Mark Webb Stitch limited edition seat with seat post right there. Seat, and we've got an integrated headset. What the fuck am I on about? Integrated thingy, yeah, we'll just call it a thingy because I've forgotten the name. Integrated clamp. So yeah, that's my bike. So yeah, bye bye guys.